10. Superfoods for an unstoppable immune system. How strong is your immune system? Do you go down with the common cold or to other nasty viruses often? When your immune system is strong, you feel it. You have more energy. You bounce back quicker. You stay active, focused, and just feel more like yourself. In this video, Nana shares her favorite natural foods that can enhance your immunity and help ward off illness. She will also share 10 essential foods to incorporate into your diet for optimal health. You will find most of these in your local grocery store or maybe even your fridge right now. So if you want real results backed by science, keep watching. 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are basically the OG of immune support. Grapefruit, oranges, lemons, they are loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin helps your body produce more white blood cells which fight infections. But your body does not store vitamin C. That means you need to consume it regularly, not just when you feel a cold coming on. 2. Red bell peppers. Do you know red bell peppers have more vitamin C than any citrus fruit? They are full of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is key for skin health and strong mucous membranes, which act as a barrier against germs. 3. Broccoli packed with vitamins A, C, and E. The humble broccoli hits multiple angles of immune defense. It is also full of fiber and antioxidants which keep your gut and cells in top shape. But do not overcook it because that kills the nutrients. Light steaming or eating it raw gives you the biggest benefit. Garlic. Garlic is not just for flavor, it is a natural antibiotic. It has been used for centuries for its infection-fighting properties. The magic compound is allicin, which forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. Regular use may even reduce the frequency of colds. Toss it into soup, stir-fries, or just roast a whole head and spread it like butter. 5. Ginger. Ginger is your anti-inflammatory go-to that also tastes amazing. It may help lower chronic inflammation, which weakens the immune system. Plus it fights off cold viruses and nausea. Throw it into smoothies, tea, or just chew a slice with honey if you are feeling bold. 6. Spinach. Spinach is not just for Popeye, it is a legit immune powerhouse. It is loaded with vitamin C plus folate and iron, which your body needs to make new cells. Cooking it lightly helps your body absorb more nutrients. Toss it into egg smoothies or salads for an easy daily boost. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is all about gut health, which is directly tied to immunity. Look for ones with live and active cultures on the label. These probiotics help keep your gut bacteria balanced and strong. Some yogurts also include added vitamin D, which helps regulate your immune response. Just skip the sugar bomb versions. Go for plain or Greek yogurt. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is the golden spice that you find in curry and other Indian food. The compound curcumin is what gives turmeric its bright color and power. It fights inflammation, which is often the root cause of weak immunity. To help your body absorb it, eat it with black pepper. 9. Poultry. Poultry, like chicken and turkey, are more than just protein. They are rich in vitamin B6, which supports your body's chemical reactions. Chicken soup is more than comfort food. It actually helps soothe symptoms and hydrate your body. B6 also helps form red blood cells, which are essential for oxygen transport. 10. Papaya. Papaya is like sunshine for your immune system. One small papaya gives you almost double the daily recommended vitamin C. It also has an enzyme called papain that helps with digestion and inflammation. Add it to a fruit salad or eat it fresh with lime juice for a tropical immune hit. If you are finding value so far, please subscribe for more natural tips to supercharge your health. So how do you start? You do not need to eat all 10 of these every single day. But the more you can include regularly, the stronger your defense system becomes. Rotate them through your meals, keep things fresh and enjoyable. Your body will thank you with more energy and fewer sick days. Nature gave us everything we need, we just have to use it. We would love to know what your go-to immune booster is. Is there a food you swear by when you start feeling run down? Drop your favorites in the comments below and share the wisdom. And check out our other videos on how to improve your health naturally.